February 1st snowstorm. Oh my God. Jesus. Oh. Oh. Holy hell. Whoa. Oh my God. How bad is the snow? We have a car in the middle of the parking lot, stalled. Here's all the other parked cars. This one's in the middle. Got that car on the side. This one's... Oh my God. Yeah, this is what happens when you live in Illinois. Yeah, but they didn't make a big deal about this one. They made a whole lot of deals about it in New York. But not here in Illinois, because we don't complain. We're used to this. Look at that. Right in the middle. Oh my God. Yeah. Oy, oy, oy. And I got boots on. Still not enough to protect from the almighty snow. And the streets are pretty empty, and it's only 11 o'clock. The streets aren't like this usually till like 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. These streets are usually got cars going back and forth. Wow. Crazy, crazy, crazy.